Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Juliana and I will this presentation I will explain the result of my machine learning project using linear regression to predict student score. I use dataset from Kaggle Total Student Performance. Okay. Title objects. The title of my project is Predict Student Match Score using linear regression. The main goal is to use student reading and writing score to predict their match score using a regression model. Okay, and about the datasheet. The datasheet I use is public available on Kaggle. It contains record of students with the following columns. Following columns: gender, race or ethnicity, parental level of education, language type, transportation course, reading score, and math score. Why I suppose this datasheet? I choose this datasheet because it's simple, clean, and relevant. It provides an excellent example of how performance in one subject might influence performance in another. It also will apply regression science. The relationship between variables are mostly linear. Algorithm. I use linear regression, which is one of the most basic and widely used algorithms in supervised learning. It is perfect when the target variable is continuous, like a student math score in this case. Data processing. Before training the model, it prepares the data by converting categorical values like gender and life type into numeric values, making sure there are no missing values, selecting only reading score and writing score because this show strong correlation with math score. And thus split in model after prepare the data split into parts. For training, I trained the linear regression model use the training data. The model finds the best fit line in the predict the math score based on the other two score. Model evaluation. After training, evaluate the model used to gain mean score error. How far the prediction are from the actual values. In this case, the R-square see how will the model explain the variation in the target result was about, which means the model is quite sure. Okay, prediction visualization. I create the scatter plot to compare actual and the predicted score. It's blue. The represent prediction and the red line represent the perfect prediction line. Most of the dots are the close to the line, which indicates that the model prediction are pretty good. Okay, picture correlation. I also create a correlation heat map. Correlation heat map. Score have a strong position correlation is met score above. This just defines why a score does to feature the predict the match score. Based on the result, I can conclude the linear regression works well to predict a student match score based on their reading and writing score. It shows that students will perform well in reading and writing as well, also perform well in math. For feature development, the model can improve, include more features like gender, parental education, or lens type, train model optimize model lives, regression, a random for regression for comparison. Okay, that's the ending of my presentation. Thank you for very much for attention. Uh, if you have any question to answer them, happy to answer them. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.